If I wanted an instant glow up before the summertime hits, this is what I would do. These are 5 tips I'm giving you, and you don't have to spend any money to glow up this summer. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Khadijah. If you're new here, I'm providing you with some beauty tips that I've done over the past 6 months that have already given me a natural glow up, and I didn't have to spend anything to get this result. The first thing that I would do is to cut out all fast food. I would not be eating out anymore. I wouldn't be eating Chick-fil-A. I wouldn't be eating McDonald's. I wouldn't go to Burger King. I wouldn't go to Taco Bell. I would literally only eat at home. Even on the weekend, I would literally save all of my coin and I would just be eating at home. Anything that I wanted, I would be cooking with avocado oil, you would be cooking with olive oil, anything that removes the seed oils, and making sure that you're eating whole foods at home. This is so important because I feel like all of the stuff that we eat out on a daily basis, if you are eating out, is filled with a lot of gunk and additives, and you really just don't know the ingredients that are going into your body, and this is making you more bloated, more inflamed, and it's just making you feel just very icky inside. And so I would completely remove that and making sure to eat the same things on a consistent basis. Some things that I like to eat on a weekly basis is sweet potato, spinach, blueberries. I like to eat bananas. I like to eat just like anything at home that makes me feel nourished and has a purpose. Sourdough bread. I would just make sure to kind of go in and make a little meal plan for myself on a weekly basis, and that already would make me feel so much better and look so much better because I know what I'm putting in my body and I'm not eating junk. Another thing that I would do is cut out drinking. And if you're not prepared to do this fully, then I don't know what to tell you. But if you really, really, really want to just like cut back off of drinking, I would only resort to drinking once a week, if anything, not twice a week, not 3 times a week. I wouldn't go on a weekend bender because literally the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, if you really think about it, that's already like 40% of your week. And so you're not really going to get the true results that you need. So I would completely only drink once, if anything. And on top of all of that, I would only probably have 1 to 2 drinks when I was drinking. I wouldn't do a full day long thing. I wouldn't be taking shots. I would probably only stick to like 1 glass of white wine if I really wanted to get that glow up. Because when you're drinking, you're literally going to, 1, be getting unnecessary calories. 2, you're probably going to end up hungover if you're going on this like long bender, you're outside, you're partying, and you're like, oh my God, I really didn't drink a lot. Whole time you did. Then late night, you're probably going to be eating greasy, nasty food. Next day, you're going to do the same thing. And you're going to, on top of that, miss your workout or miss any daylight that you really needed. So if I wanted to glow up, I would actually not drink, to be honest. And if you can do that, then you're really prepared to glow up this summer. The next thing that I would do, if you're not a journaler already, I don't know what you're doing, where you're at, but there's literally so many studies and research proving that if you journal, your life is literally going to improve by so much more. So I would start by just writing down daily things that I'm grateful for. So I like to say a gratitude journal, but if you don't have a journal yet, honestly, you don't even need to go and buy one. Just open your notes on your iPhone, and I would journal 3 things that I'm grateful for. That could be you love your bed. That could be you love that the birds chirp outside in the morning. That could be that you love the new bag that you just bought yourself. That could be literally anything that you're grateful for in life. Literally anything. I don't care what it is, but I would start by writing down 3 things that I'm grateful for every single morning, and you will just like see how much more happy and fulfilled you are, and that will just give your brain that energy and that dopamine hit to really just see life in such a more positive aspect, and that would actually propel you to be able to do the rest of these things with so much ease because you are internally becoming more of a happy person. And you're looking at life from a very positive outlook, and that end result is just going to give you that internal glow up, and then it's going to come outwardly as well. Next thing that I would do is making sure that I'm getting my steps in. And I know you're thinking, I don't have any time to get my steps in. I'm so busy. I have class, I have work, I have to go babysit, I have all of these random things, I have to watch my kid. I don't have time. You do, okay? I would make sure to get my steps in by taking the dog for an extra long walk. If I'm talking to my homegirl, instead of just sitting in my room or sitting on the couch and talking to her, take this conversation and go on a walk outside. I would literally find any single moment to get my steps in. And maybe that doesn't look like 10K steps today, because I know everybody's saying 10K steps, get your 10K steps in. That's like a lot of pressure for someone that is not already in the mindset of like walking and getting those steps in. And sometimes we, quite frankly, just don't have the time. Sometimes I don't have the time to get all of these steps in. I'm just like, ugh. But what I do know is that I have 10 minutes to set aside to walking. So if I want to go and get those steps in on my treadmill in my gym, I'll do that. Or I'll go outside, walk there. Sometimes I even like to go up to my pool and just walk around the pool, because I'm just like, this is so nice. I want to have a little water view while I'm walking outside. So I'll just literally take laps around my pool when nobody's out there. And it's like a whole situation, a whole vibe. But getting our steps in is so good for our mind. Also, I mean, hello, like you're literally able to burn some calories of whatever you've eaten for that day. Like literally walking is so good for us, and it's going to give us that natural glow up. Let alone if you're walking during the day and it's sunny outside, you're going to get a natural glow, a natural tan. Your skin is going to thank you. So that is already going to make you the glowed up girly that you're trying to be. And my last tip, if I wanted to glow up this summer, I would really lean into body care and taking my time in the shower, taking my time in the bathroom, and really just nourishing my body and nourishing my skin. And you can already do this with all the products that you have at home. But for me, I love taking my time in the shower. I know we normalize the everything shower and doing everything just on one day, but if you can do this every single morning and night with your body care, just being very intentional with cleansing your skin, exfoliating your skin, just making sure that even like the washcloth or the sponge that you use is really going to be able to exfoliate your skin and make you feel very clean, and also bringing that nourishment back. Adding your oils into your shower routine, making sure exfoliating your skin, and also putting those oils back into your skin after your shower, and also oiling your skin in the morning and applying your lotions on the day to day. So in the morning, applying your lotion, at night, applying your lotion, and making sure that your body care routine and your skincare routine is very habitual, because that is what is going to bring that glow to your skin. Because in the summertime, we all know when somebody is just glowing and their skin just looks nourished and luscious and rich, it's because they pour time into, the oils that they're putting on their body, the lotions that they're putting on their body, and they're making sure to hydrate their skin. So if I really wanted that glow up, I would pay attention to my body care routine and my skincare routine. For my face, every time I do my makeup, I will take my makeup off every single night. I would make sure to wash my face every single night. There's not a night that we're not washing our face. There's not a morning that we're not washing our face. I would literally put on a face mask every single night after I wear my makeup to just give my skin that extra love and attention. And I would make sure to do my skincare every single morning and every single night. Let me know if any of these tips are helpful to you, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I love you guys. I'm Khadijah, and thanks for watching.